May I please your Lordship? Lordship, item number 5, this motion, Lord. In this matter, we need to file one additional affidavit. Can it be on next Friday, 26 or 29? Any date?
For the other side?
No.
Yes, 29. Can be on 29.
29? Give please, please.
One more.
Just my
My lord, on motion matter, my lord, we have filed it yesterday. Can it be on Monday, my lord? Some urgency on our part.
motion, what kind of?
My lord, it's the anticipatory pre-arrest bail, my lord. On Monday, my lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 30 of today's list, my lord. Mail hearing, my lord. Today I have some difficulty, my lord. Although CD has come, my lord, I am praying before Your Lordship to list this case by next week, my lord. Any day.
Are you on interim?
Interim is there, my lord.
You are on interim.
Yes, my lord.
CD we have received. CD
received.
CD received.
Yes. Till when it can be?
Tuesday or Wednesday, my lord.
Next day.
Next
Tuesday,
week.
Wednesday.
Next week.
Can it be on Wednesday? 25. Okay.
My lord. Tell you, my lord.
please, Lord.
CD you are on interim.
May I please, Lord? My lord, item number 20, my lord. In this case, my lord, CD is not there, my lord. And another case, my lord, from the same CD is picked on 23, my lord. 23 July. Yes, my lord. Let this matter may be picked along with 20,
Can you tell us the number?
yes, my lord. BA number 1933.
BA 1933
33.
of 2024. Please go to BA 1933 2024. It is on 23rd.
23, yes, my lord.
CD not received. Issue reminder. Is the matter according to BA 1933.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 37 and 39 of the daily list, Lordship. In both the matter, Lordship, CD is not available, Lordship.
I am from the informant, my lord.
Yes, you are
From the informant, my lord. I have done my Ukalatnama.
You have already filed your
Already
Wakalatnama.
filed.
So in both the matters, CD is not available.
No, Lordship.
You are not on interim, I think.
Lordship, I am on interim, Lordship, in both the
In
matter.
both the matters, you are on interim. Yes,
Let it be on August 6th.
6th of August.
6th of August.
Both the matters, 6th of August. In paper continue.
Lordship, can it be on 7th, Lordship? Motion day, Lordship. Can it be on 7th of August?
Why? 6th is what is it?
Lordship, hearing day, Lordship, one part matter.
One part had matter.
Lordship, input number 2, one part matter is 3.
Oh, you have some difficulty. Okay.
7th of August, Lordship.
7th?
Lordship. Deep Lord. Lordship, interim order may be continued, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship? Regarding item 21, Lordship, can it be on next Friday, Lordship? Because CD is also not here. It's from Jalukbari, Lordship.
Next Friday, you are
Next Friday, because already 42, 3 days, Lordship. Intermediate quantity, Lordship.
next Friday for a 26.
Lordship. Much obliged, Your Lordship. Much obliged. Oh, 20. He deleted 26 or deleted.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 34, my lord. There is CD, my lord. Next week, any date, my lord. On Monday or Tuesday.
CD is available.
CD available.
34, you say.
34. Yes, Lordship. CD is available.
Are you on interim?
No, my lord. Next week, any date.
So you have some difficulty today.
My lord.
You have some difficulty today.
Difficulty today, my lord, may not be raised at today. That's why, my lord. Mr. HR Sutri API, my lord. Tuesday, my lord. Next Tuesday, my lord.
CD is available.
CD is available. And it Tuesday corridor Tuesday is 23rd. CDB written till next set of list.
My lord, further prayer, my lord, item number 44, my lord. And there is an IA, my lord. That matter may be fixed, my lord, next week, my lord. Petitioner is behind bar, my lord. More than 400 days. And next,
Order column. But month of August. It has to be on month of August, he's saying.
my lord.
In these 2 weeks, most probably may not be possible.
This is not a
Give
motion,
us
my lord.
second time for-
Orders matter, my lord.
No, whatever. It has to be reached now, that's why I'm saying.
And next week, any date, my lord, petitioner
Next
behind
week,
bar, my
no,
lord.
I-
7-year conviction, my lord. Already 400 and some days in behind bar, my lord.
Actually, take your primary. 2nd of August.
Second, oblige.
Request it.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention one bail application, Lordship. It is supposed to be listed today, Lordship. It was fixed today, Lordship. That has not been listed, Lordship. That's why I am praying for it may be listed on Monday, Lordship.
Monday,
I am not.
one matter is, 2 matters are from Arunachal also on BC. I have to reach. I don't know, Monday, can it be possible?
I am not in interim, Lordship. That's.
Huh? It may be fixed on 25th of. 20. It is on Wednesday.
On 24th, then, Lord. 24th. 25th, I have. 25th.
Okay, 24th.
Obliged, ma'am.
May I please, Your Lordship, item number 52, Lordship.
52.
52, supplementary list, withdraw the petition, Lordship.
52. You want to withdraw? Part Mr. Anna. His body is right. He wants to withdraw this thing.
Withdraw.
Prayer Anna.
Then, Lordship, started as in coming.
Charge it what? Oh. When to withdraw this one, give it them. Mr. Sharma, Iranian duty subject cases also charge it by CS number, yes?
84/2024, dated 24/6/2020.
I was considering the pair of factories disposal on which
Lordship, another prayer, Lordship, item 27 and 28, Lordship. Adjourned for day, Lordship. Interim is there, Lordship. CD was called for.
It is not listed, Lordship.
you are on interim,
28.
both 27 and 28.
28, Lordship.
You are on interim.
Interim.
It may be accepted. It should be amended. Yes, CD for
August, Lordship, 9th of August.
9-8.
Interim shall continue.
Yes.
The problem.
May I please, Your Lordship? My Lord, I beg to mention item number 22, my Lord. Kindly adjourn to the day only. Next week, anything.
22, yes. What is it?
NCB, Lordship.
ONCB. Otherwise, why that one office note was there? So it will be listed in the month of August, okay?
Next. After a
Month
week,
of August. Scan copy we have received. Or scan copy is still awaited.
No.
Let it be on 5th or 6th of August. Scan copy is awaited. Then the request made by the responsible as well, also from the office note, it is seen that the scan copy is still awaited. Let the matter be registered. 6th of holiday? 6-8.
Obliged.
Lordship,
Yes.
with regards to item 10, we have filed our additional affidavit. Kindly that may be called for.
Item number 10.
Can
Asylum. We are fine.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, in item number 33, Lordship, case drive is not available. Interim. I'm on interim.
9th of August, Lordship.
33.
33.
You are on interim. Interim be accepted. Reminder, yes.
9th of August.
9.
Lordship, and one more query in item number 46, Lordship. Lordship, scan copy of the LCR called for has not been received. Lordship, may I issue a reminder. Item 46.
It's not record. As scan copy.
Yeah.
Scan copy of the LCF has not yet received. It should remind raised to it. List accordingly. After 2 weeks, we will list up.
Lordship, the time to fix the date.
1.
Obliged.
May I please your Lordship? My Lord, item number 4 may be adjourned for the day. If possible, next may be fixed on 25th July.
The request made by the Narayan Constitutional Petition. Matter is adjourned. List accordingly. What is saying next?
24th July.
24th July. be after 1 week. After 1.
And a date may be given.
No, sorry. After 1. Motion matter. All matters cannot be date fixed.
I beg to mention item number 29. CD is not.
29.
Yes. CD is not available.
Are you on interim?
Yes.
You are on interim. Issue reminder. Yes, Sharma.
8 of August.
8 of August. Sooner.
Interim.
You were on interim, I think.
This is a lordship. On 483 application, but I am behind the bar for last 19 days. 19 days, my lord.
19.
19. And my lord, page 8 is the translated copy of the FIR, my lord. Now, my education in this FIR is there. The informant is a secretary of the organization, Muslim organization. He stated that I made some unpleasant statement against the founding member of that organization, my lord. That much on the allegation, my lord. Because of that, my lord, the section 295A and 153 were incorporated. And I was immediately arrested, my lord. Now, my submission is that, my lord, first of all, I have not made any statement on the FIR, my lord. It's an open Facebook page. Account, my learned senior can verify that aspect, my lord. And secondly, my lord, to invoke the section 295A, I should have made a statement against hurting the religious belief of other community, my lord, or other believers of. Now, where is that thing, my lord? I also, I am a Muslim. Now, statement is, he is alleging that I have made statement against some person. Making a statement against some person cannot bring, my lord, religious belief of, hurting the religious belief of my own people, my lord. So, my humble submission that, my lord, I have been in custody for last 19 days, my lord. At best, it can be a 500, my lord, defamation case, which are available in nature, my lord. So, if lordship can kindly consider my prayer for release with any stringent condition. Unpleasant statement about person, my lord. And my lord, I myself is the follower of a member of that organization, my lord.
It's an organization.
Yes, my lord. Lordship will find the informant is namely Ahmed Hussain, and my name is Abdul Muqtadir. I am also one of the member of the organization. And my lord, my Facebook, it's an open Facebook page account. Lordship will find my last post is made on 25th of June, whereas the allegation is that I made some statement on 29 and 30. Which is not at all available in the my account. So, my 295A and 153 cannot be invoked. Dada, page 15. Page 1.
That's basically the allegation is that he made some unpleasant statement against some person.
Persons.
That may come under 500 or 501, but 295 regarding the religion.
295.
295 hurting the
Religious belief of other community. There is nothing, Maharaj. Even if making
I don't know what was the yes done.
Question of public order is involved. There may be many things happen.
Nothing was there.
Let the case be called for.
Nothing was there, Maharaj. I am also from that locality, Maharaj.
Because not only against one person, he is making statements from the other person. What was this statement next?
Maybe harmful to the society also. Society interest may be involved.
No, it took place last 25th of June. Open page after
এইবিলাকে তো society খন খাইছে
No,
আমাৰ এতিয়া
no statement.
one chance may be given below.
See,
I may be given one
where which is has to come. Uma is from Karimganj.
Yes, Maharaj. Next week.
Next week. Otherwise, you are rightly submitted, but I don't know whose statement. You may be or he may be from the same lady. But whether as the statement is in that manner where it may hurt some the religion of other belief of the other religion, I don't
My
know.
lord, I have personally checked his Facebook page. I have not found anything. His last page was post was on 25th praising the Prophet. Prophet, my lord. That was the last. That was his last post, my lord. So how that can on 29th there is no such thing, my lord. Not a single post on 29, 30 itself.
Okay. Otherwise, your submission, I think it's okay, but okay, we'll try to take get the case record. Yes, Sharma. That's
Next week.
On 29th of July.
20. But that is on 26, my lord. 26.
কৰিমগঞ্জৰ পৰা আহি পাব লাগিব ন
আহি যাম।
নিলাম বাজাৰ ইমান দূৰ আহি পাব লাগিব ন
আহি যাব লাগে।
এনেই তোমাৰ ডেট হ'ব
any date.
or let me try on 26 since he is in jail.
I'm deep here.
Application. This is 43 application, my lord, under section 420-406, my lord. I was arrested on 25/6/2024, my lord. At this stage, only case diary may be called for, my lord.
Yes, that's it.
On 31st.
God bless you.
May I please allow? It's a POCSO matter, my lord, notice has to go, man.
No problem, notice is required. Also called for still under investigation.
Yes. He's in custody, my lord.
Also called for investigation. As the notice has to go, notice to AGO through the police station to the office of the public prosecutor. We may expect within can be or
Let the notice be served first, my lord.
no, we can call for the case diary also.
Yes.
Because then it will be easier if notice serves. So it has to be in the month of August, I think. Otherwise, the notice won't. Service will not be completed.
Yes.
And it will be on first week of August.
But can it be because he is already behind the bar for 40 days, my lord? So can it be some my lord, earlier date, my lord?
Earlier date, whether your purpose will serve because they are the resident of Juria Nagaon.
Juria.
And case is under 6 of the POCSO, most probably. Okay, we can, but get it.
9th of August.
Can it be on last part of July, my lord?
Notice has to be served.
Let me try first, my lord.
First will be served.
Short.
Short. It will not serve any serve any purpose, my lord. Notice has to be
after
yes. 9th of August is my lord shortest this, I think, for service of notice.
Your lordship may fix on 31st, then, my lord. If it is
then
not,
again 9th of
yes, if it is not served, then I will, my lord.
not served, I think.
Because 40 days he is in, my lord, bar, my lord, till date, my lord. 40 days, my
So
lord.
he has to be there. 31st.
Yes.
We won't come, but it won't return back. 31st.
I'm deeply blessed.
31st, my lord.
Deeply blessed.
Lordship, matter may be taken up at 2. Apply, sir.
Keep pending. 2.
Hello, Diction application number 482 of Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Samhita. In my case, no any FIR has been registered as yet. But police used to disturb me, my lord, calling me over phone, paper in front of Hatigam police station.
Any kind of apprehension as why he is calling you?
They said that I took money in the tune of rupees 6 lakh from some person, my lord. Karisma Borthagoi. As in as they informed by the police, this is the allegation, my lord.
Inquiry matter.
Instruction.
Application article 482 of BNSS for granting bail. So, CP will inquiry matter and obtain a report from the IO better. Is there a case of which police station?
Hatigam.
Hatigam. And we'll obtain a report from the Hatigam police station as to whether any case has been logged or any FIR has been logged against the present petition. Let the matter be listed. When it can be listed?
My lord, interim protection may kindly be given, my lord.
Blanket interim order, how can be passed? On 31st, no?
Earlier, my lord, earlier.
Thus, he is staying silently.
On 29?
My lord, I am aged about 61 years, my lord.
We won't go there arrested.
He's younger than me. Huh? He's younger than me.
That is more than 60. Who is
64 is running, no?
You? Really?
54.
Oh, it doesn't look like.
I can take it as compliment.
Very nice, definitely.
Lordship, kindly matter may be taken up at 2, Lordship.
2.
May I please, my lord? Lord, on earlier occasion, instructions were sought as to whether 14 and supplementary,
49.
whether any case has been registered against me and along with my family. Lord.
Yes.
We sent 3 messages as many as. Today, of course, in the morning, I have also instructed my office to call the concerned police station whether any case has been registered. But let it be taken up at 2 p.m. I'll try to find out. For many dates.
This most probably the 5th or 6th time they have denied this. Now, it's a case involving personal life and liberty.
Personal life, that is your duty. You should come with a material that can whether case has been registered. You are supposed to know whether case has been registered or not.
We have inquired in the PI court. We have not been aware. We have also written to the Commissioner of Police. We have also filed an FIR, cross FIR from our part. There is no registration of that FIR. So what?
There is no case that means.
So this
Okay,
next
so
step
it's against you then. Okay, we are trying at 2 p.m.
Obligement.
Well, here, my lord, the lordship will find the FIR, my lord, at page 10, my lord.
Lordship, this is accidental case, Lordship. While I was coming from the Jalukbari 304 of the IPC, Lordship.
Accident, Lord.
And it is not 304A.
No.
Yes, Lordship.
It is 304.
Yes, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, section 304A track, but the police they put it this section 304. And the Lordship, in this case, while I was coming from the Jalukbari to Gorsik, Lordship, the first service road, and a truck was parked near the road. Then, Lordship, I tried to overtake the truck, then suddenly a scooty appeared in front of my vehicle. So, Lordship, I tried to prevent the accident, but Lordship, I could not. And the Lordship, as a result, one girl died. And the Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, the police lost this affair. And the Lordship, I had no any intention for the accident, Lordship. And the Lordship, since the Lordship, this is an accident, Lordship, so section 304 attack, Lordship. So, Lordship, my prayer is that I am already behind the bar of 59 days. So, Lordship, considering the length of detention, I may be allowed to go on bail, Lordship. And the Lordship, though section 304 is attack, Lordship, but the proviso of section 304 is attack. So, Lordship, my prayer is that considering that aspect, Lordship, I may be allowed to go on bail. And I am already behind the bar of 59 days, and the police got sufficient time for investigation, Lordship.
But you were you are suspected to be, you were in,
intoxicated condition. He was driving in an intoxicated condition, and eyewitnesses are there.
But the Lordship, I am first time offender Lordship under section 185. This is the first incident, Lordship.
He had evidence but he was under the was under the
Madam.
consumption of alcohol. Otherwise, what is there?
59 days he is behind the bar. 60 days offense.
Yes, they will, Lordship.
Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
Case there is there, you know.
Make your lordship. 13 BA and 14 AB, man. All the same FIR.
Corona case there is.
It is a case by loss of kindly see, madam. Today 81 days, madam. 90 days statutory period. Without going further, I hope, my lord, because informants also there. The informant is also there. They appeared and they filed the objection also, my lord. But so far the item 13 is concerned by 81 days today, my lord. And allegation in loss of kindly see, they have stated she is 17 years. Our case is above 18 years. And there is a proposal for marriage with me, which my family refused, so this case was filed. This is our case. Whatever it may be, 81 days, I think further custody is, I am only on that at this stage, my lord. I think nobody will prejudice my lord if he is released on this case.
164 statement, my lord. So far BA is concerned, my lord, yes, length of detention, your lordship, I leave to your lordship. But anticipatory bail is not a fit case for
But there
this
is
is
nothing
not a fit
against
case
him,
for
my lord.
anticipatory.
Against him,
No,
this-
no, it is there.
Huh?
164 statement. He is the main player.
Main player. The main player, you could not take him to custody. Innocent person, 81 days.
And he was running away, na?
You were 30 days Zahirul.
And Zahirul,
Zahirul, 14 is,
but in the FIR, you also kindly see what is that?
13 is Zahirul, 14 is
Yes.
same Mubarak.
Mubarak Ali. Now from the FIR, my lord, I do not find anything. Only, my lord, page number 12, accused number 2 is mentioned below, threatened to kill me and my family by burning my house if I lost the FIR. This is the allegation against him. If she says something subsequently 164, my lord, this is her initial statement, my father is saying so. Mother filed the case, man. If she develops a statement of 164, my lord, just to my lord. Main person, I think, is Safar, my lord, already Safar. And my lord, a friend is very fairly about Safar period of detention is concerned, my lord. But so, number 2, I do not find anything in the FIR itself, my lord. Whether it's custody integration is required, my lord. Keep away. Both are Badak's, my lord.
I also flag mark the medical report. Medical report is also good.
Medical open.
Type to list.
Type to है ना. When you talk about medical case, you understand the things. Do you know what type is a person? What is it?
ये तो मुकुट होकाटी पे ले गए ना ये मुकुट होकाटी ले गए थे
FIR तो वस्तु नहीं ना
तो उनके नहीं बताया गीता हो जाएगा
फर्स्ट इन्फॉर्मेशन
ऐसा तो आइडिया नहीं है मतलब इसमें
মানুষটা কি করে মাথা গেলে নাই আমি তো পিটিশন লাগছে নাকি occurrence, my lord, you are 18/4/24, FIR 26, 8 days delay. And 164, my lord, friend is saying 164 is implicated the AB, petition of AB, my lord. Everything is got up after that point. FIR is made after 8 days, my lord. Is it a case for custody integration, my lord? I am on that. So far, number 2 is concerned.
Yes.
My lords, we have filed affidavit in opposition and we have explained the entire 18 days that why delay has been caused. Now, petition number 14, Mubarak Ali is a village BDP of the Thana and he is colluding with the police to harass us. My lords, in the affidavit in position, kindly come to page 23. 13, 14. Affidavit in opposition.
In both in 13, 14.
13. Page 23.
Yes.
Well, right after registering we registered the FIR, Now, Mubarak Ali, why he is so important to our case is because he is a village BDP and he's been threatening us so that we don't lodge an FIR. And that is why it took 18 days. It was only after taking a help from a lawyer that we were able to lodge. And like, well, let's kindly see at page 23 the maleficent intention. But just after lodging, we lodge an FIR. The mother of the accused in FIR number 1, they filed an FIR against my son at page 23. In which we have gotten an anticipatory bail by this Honorable High Court. Secondly, my lords, the Mubarak Ali continues to harass us, and so we also filed a Section 107 petition before the additional district magistrate at page 30 and 37. We have annexed it as well. So he is in it's an anticipatory bail, my lord, and while deciding a bail, the court has to also look into see the status of where he is placed. Now VDP, he is a VDP. He has not been taken out of his job. He is going to the police station. There is all possibility that he will influence the investigation, and he is rightly doing so. So bail may be.
He is a BDP secretary, my lord. BDP secretary, let them terminate if he is anything. Nothing has been done, my lord. BDP secretary appointed by the police. He is still BDP secretary, my lord.
No, we have been writing letters.
So, that case, my lord, does not make him to be. My one question, my lord, on the face of the FIR, my lord. That everything is done after 8 days of FIR laws, my lord. So they have done this, everything is done 164, other case, everything in between, my lord. So I lift your lordship, my lord, your lordship. This is a case for clear bail, my lord. The responsible persons of the area, my lord.
Statutory presumption is there in Fox.
A.M. Khani.
Mr. DK behind the bird, one big on the like do you have any see that
No.
you are in love relation with the victim? No.
Now we have nothing, my lord, because they wanted to give proposal for marriage. His family refused, my family.
Are they subject that the informant want
They have 7, my lord.
Exception number 1 however, considering the undergone by the however considering the and now listen, Mr. Agarwal. The question is that for item number 14, item number 14 is for Mubarak Ali. So against Mubarak Ali, we have submitted already that he is the main person and he is still threatening, considering taking advantage of his position as a PDP secretary, he is threatening out. Against the item number 13, what do you want to submit?
I vehemently oppose the bill.
No, in for one also. Item number 13.
Yes.
No, sorry. Submit that there may be whatever. I for where it gets it off?
A special judge Dhubri.
Dhubri.
POXO. A special judge POXO Dhubri.
Now I have about 40. 40 is same, but picture is not. That picture of and also hard cake. And then about again. There is no other activity. Again, there is no but and open eye for it. That right? It's a lab and the subject that from that problem and not remember, but it also active part complicated and in the matter. According to Mr. Dutt, not Mr. Agarwal done it out for about the and for active for state the present is still from another and taking the advantage of the position academic also management and out of it strategic the important because important not signified after and according to the your 14 is rejected, 13 is allowed. 13 is
in 13 we have to Perhaps, I hope my no objection is not being recorded.
Pardon?
My no objection
Your
not
commission I have recorded that there are materials in the record. 164 also there.
Yes.
Length of detention may be considered that much. In here,
Because
I have written
in
that
Poxo case, if I concede, that will be misinterpreted before.
Yes, Madam, that will be. You also oppose vehemently.
30 not raise up. Okay, fair raise up.
My lord, in terms of the office note at 17.7, my lord, notices have been served. Both ways, my lord. The only thing, my lord, here I am behind the bars for the last 76. My lord, today is the 76th day, my lord. If your lordship kindly comes to the FIR, my lord, I'll just take page 17, my lord. The incident occurred on, my lord, if your lordship kindly comes to page 17. 3 occurrence, my lord, it is 4-5, 23.55 hours, my lord. 11:55, my lord, on 4-5. The information received was all, my lord, I was arrested.
PM.
Lordship?
PM.
23.55, my lord. So, my lord, it will be incident, LS incident, my lord, 4-5-2024. And the time is 23:55 hours, my lord. Now, my lord, I was arrested on the very same day, at night, my lord, and in fact, if your lordship sees, the information received on 5-5. Case was registered for 5-5. GD entry was again made on 5-5. After the FIR was lodged. Lordship will 5-5, the time is 20:30 hours. 8:30 in the evening, my lord. And, my lord, GD entry is 12 dated, so 5-5, 21-5, my lord. So after the FIR is registered, my lord, the GD entry is made. This is like putting the, my lord, cart before the bullock, my lord. Now, lordship will see, I'll just take you to the FIR. Page 20, my lord. There was a view function there, my lord. There was a view function. In fact, my lord, the strong room was attached to the field, my lord, where, my lord, it was fully secured. And there was a field nearby, my lord, where, my lord, view function was held, my lord. The victim girl, my lord, she went missing. In fact, the informant, my lord,
sold out the drugs, lordship, to various persons, lordship. Because here, lordship, if lordship kindly comes to the FIR also,
Lordship, after the schedule will be required, Lordship.
It will be required, lordship. So, lordship, it may be fixed on second week of August, lordship. Can it be on 19/8, lordship?
Otherwise, the commercial point.
Yes, yes.
Art. Submitted by Mr. Sharma that from the instructor, the FSA report is not in, but that, and then therefore it did not as the that the representative might have sold contraband wages and goods for according to call for that they have it that it's the matter you are saying
19/8.
it will be paid for you or okay.
The commercial quantity, lordship.
Thank you.
All right.
Merely, lordship. The schedule was called for in this case, my lord. 60 days in custody, my lord.
It be not received, but
intermediate quantity मतलब just after some I'll telephonic instruction मतलब otherwise मतलब might be get default bill.
My lord.
You are already 60 days in custody.
Yes, ma'am.
Actually more than
Just take the instruction.
just because it will get default bill otherwise. It is the phone call.
Timing.
No time. 21 days एकदम नहीं.
I mean 24 lordship. In 24, your lordship, the accused person has been shown arrested in connection with Bosista PS case number
23, 24 and 25.
25.
Same case diary.
All the three cases are connected cases.
No, 23, 24.
And 25.
5.
25.
24.
Same case diary. And I'm in 24, this is Dilbar Ali Lord. And originally the accused person was arrested in connection with lordship. The petitioner was originally arrested in connection with Hatigao PS case number 87 lordship on 8/5/2024. And thereafter he was arrested in connection with Hatigao PS case number 86. And finally he was arrested in connection with this case on 10/6/2024 lordship. And as on today, as per our calculation, 40 days he is behind the bar in connection with this particular case. And all over, he is for last 72 years behind the bars. In two cases, in Hatigao 87 and 86, the petition has been granted bail lordship. But for this case, he is still behind the bar. And lordship, in this case, the in this case, lordship, the police has wrongly inserted the section 457 lordship. Petition.
Case they received, my lord, in all these cases, the present case is, my lord, Bosista PS case. Initially, my lord, petitioner was, my lord, in this case, FIR laws on 27/4/24, shown arrested on, my lord, 10/6/24, and earlier petitioner was arrested in, my lord, initially involved in two other cases, Hatigao PS case number 86 and 87, my lord. And in this case, my lord, in all these cases, modus operandi is same, my lord. While no one is there in the residence of no one in the house and in absence of the family members, by breaking the door at night, my lord, they entered inside the house. Thereafter, my lord, and the FIR is lodged against unknown persons. During investigation, police initially arrested the present petitioners in respect of, my lord, Hatigao PS case number. Thereafter, in that case, some of the, my lord, articles mentioned in the FIR were recovered from the accused person. But in the present case, from the case diary reveals that nothing has been recovered from the present petitioners, my lord. Till now, my lord, investigation is going on. And here, my lord, FIR is lodged in this case on 27/4/24. And earlier in case number 86/24, FIR lodged on 1/4/24, 1st of April. Thereafter, the present FIR. And my lord, Hatigao 87/24, that was lodged on, my lord, later on 2/5/24. And in that case, my lord, first, in this case, FIR lodged on 27/4/24. Yes, in the present case, my lord.
Oh,
present case, my lord. 27/4/24. And Hatigao, my lord, first, my lord, FIR is in Hatigao PS case number 86/24.
On the in that case, FIR was on 1/4/24, 1st of April.
1/5.
Thereafter, in both the cases, my lord, police failed. Initially, police failed to arrest any of the accused. While the last FIR, that is lodged on 2/5/24, in Hatigao PS case number 87/24, the present accused persons were arrested on 6th of May 2024. Originally arrested on 6th of May 2024. Hatigao 87/24, yes. And thereafter, my lord, in that case, some of the my lord articles mentioned in the FIR were recovered from the accused person. Thereafter, in both these cases, the present case also, petitioner was later on shown arrested on 10/6/24. And today, my lord, 39 days.
10/6.
In other two cases, they were all my lord, in bail. In other two cases, already these petitioners obtained bail.
Yeah. In the case of Mr. Hassan, your petitioner behind the birth is
10/6.
And Mr. Thakur, your petitioner.
All are shown arrested on 10/6.
All are shown arrested on the same day.
Out of same FIR shown arrested.
Same day.
In other two cases, they have.
They are good. They are doing a thing in the group. In fact,
Yes, ma'am.
they are friends.
Yes, ma'am.
Not them if you.
And modus operandi in all the cases same, my lord.
Nothing has been
And they are, my lord,
recovered from our
habitually involved in doing all these offences, my lord. So initially, when last FIR, that is on 2/5/24, lost the FIR by the, my lord, informant, police then, in that case, police arrested for the first time on 6th of May 2024. And thereafter, during investigation, and those houses all, my lord, situated in the nearby area, and in all those houses, my lord, while no one is there in the house, my lord, house owner and any of the family members, then on that night, they, after breaking the door at night, they entered inside the house, and for which, my lord, here section inserted is, my lord, 357, 480, so it may be extended up to 90 days, 90 days of that.
On this submission of my learned friend, Lordship, I have already submitted before your Lordship that 457 will not come into play in this, on the face of the FIR. Because there is no time, night, day, etc. Nothing has been mentioned.
Only CD is submitting. That all this.
Yes, CD may be submitted. And above all, Lordship, our humble submission is that they will face their consequences. And in two cases, all the accused persons have been granted bail. And in this case also, if your Lordship grants bail, they will face the trial, Lordship. Any condition may be imposed because already 40 days. And attend like.
Is the trial or you are going to commit again the same?
No.
Same offense.
I am not admitting that in all these cases I am involved. The police, in order to sum up some cases, are doing this type of
That
things.
is one of the. I do
Lordship.
not disagree with you. In some cases, what will happen if you have the history of, suppose if you have other history regarding the case,
Yes.
that of cases, in that case.
Yes, Lordship, there may be some old cases, there may be some old records. There may be some old records, but that do not imply that he will do it continuously. Because Ratnagar was trying to be Valmiki at one time. So, Lordship, considering the length of detention and no
Now
recovery
at
from
Kali Yug, Ratnakar will not turn to Valmiki. It is now Kali Yug. So here now Ratnakar will not turn to
Yes,
Valmiki.
ma'am.
Out there.
now from the
Again, my lord, after some days, he will again appear on behalf of them, my lord. That this is fourth time I am appearing on their behalf.
no, this is
They
our
are
professional
involved, my
duty,
lord.
Lordship will appear. So there is no bad.
So it is not his duty to say this type of person that they will again, my lord, be Valmiki, my lord, from
No, no.
Ratnakar.
I am not saying that they will turn to Valmiki, but at least we can expect.
Anyway, my lord, stolen articles not yet recovered from the accused person.
Nothing has been recovered from our possession.
Case is still under probe.
Yes, Mr.
all at in all it then and also card what that kept it. Follow out a very and pair number 1 pair number 4 can start another extra kata dan other but time so but and here but you are don't arrest.
Shown arrested.
After don't arrest, are you going police demand?
Yes. Yes, today's remand was taken, Lordship. Yes.
Yes, my lord. Police
Yes, remand was there, Lordship. And Lordship, yes, Lordship.
Prayer for police remand on. In this case, my lord, there was no.
Most probably police demand was not there.
Yes, in this case, police remand was not there. In earlier cases, police remand was there.
So what the IO what can be expected from the IO?
Yes.
Did they take the police demand or
Yes.
demand?
Yes.
There is be some recovery.
Yes, IO was not present.
My lord, in this case, my lord, liberty was given to the IO for custodial interrogation of the petitioners in jail, Lordship. In each day for 3 hours, Lordship, was
Yes,
given
17.
for 15 days. In this case, because at the time of production, the IO was not present, therefore the custody was not given, but the liberty was given to the IO for in jail they can interrogate for 15 days every day for 3 hours. It was there in the order.
Yes, 70 is
but,
the order.
But they didn't.
Lordship,
The interrogation was not.
item number 25.
And moreover,
Lordship,
Lordship.
whether interrogation was there or not.
No, Lordship.
Not.
Moreover, Lordship, the co-accused of this present case, Lordship, is granted bail, Lordship, who is arrested, shown arrested, same case, same day, Lordship. Siraj Ali. I want to submit the bail order. It is
Page,
passed by
page
additional
27
second-
of the petition, my lord. Page 27, last portion.
And other two cases also I have. The petitioner was granted bail. I have
The
given
order is there.
Yes, page 27. Order the relevant portion, my lord. Order the investigating officer of this case has paid for 5 days police custody of the aforementioned accused for custodial interrogation to complete the investigation. However, the IO is absent to justify the prayer for police remand, hence the same is rejected at this stage. Moreover, the accused can be interrogated during judicial custody by the IO to unveil the details of the case in hand. Hence, this court rejects the prayer for police remand. However, the IO is at liberty to interrogate the accused in jail custody for 3 hours in presence of the jail personnel for the next 5 days. So, when that order was passed on 10/6/24, that period is already well.
But the duty of the police officer.
Yes, ma'am.
He is IO, he does mechanically, he send to demand police prayer for police remand, he the constable or whatever. Therefore, even after the court allows for interrogation, that has not happened.
So far as Lordship, the first case on which the petitioner was arrested, Lordship, something was recovered from his house, from the possession of his wife. But after the subsequent 2 cases, nothing has been recovered from the possession.
That's what he is also subject.
Yes, Lordship. And in total, Lordship, I have undergone police custody of Lordship. In first case, 8 days, Lordship. Again, in the second case, I have undergone 2 days, Lordship. Sufficient interrogation was made, Lordship. And in total, Lordship, in respect of item number 23, Lordship, 74 days in total, Lordship.
They are also 72, 73 days. Of record. Therefore, Christmas was started as I was not with her. The participants was time interrogating for 3 hours. No, 3 hours each day for 5 days. 5 days. 3 hours for 5 days. But that so your cases are pending where?
CGM Kamrup Metro, Lordship.
25 also same?
Lordship.
Same, ma'am. Same.
Out of same FIR, the shown arrested,
Same.
and arrested also same.
You have granted bail.
Deeply obliged.
Lordship, surety amount, Lordship.
20,000 responsibility.
Deeply obliged, my Lord.
Timing?
Offline report received, my lord.
Huh.
Written report. No case, my lord. Pending as in 20.
You are Mr. S.H. Ahmed?
Yes, ma'am.
Card Mr. S.H. Ahmed. You are responsible for not card for that is submitted by Mr. Martin that if report from the officer in charge is put where it is stated that here you have three petitioners.
Three petitions.
That no case has been registered or pending against the three petitioners. So against you there is no case at all. But however, the petitioners may have put subsequent any application from any now. Okay, at present there is no case, so question of anticipated because there is no apprehension of it. And subsequently, if such things happens or if suppose case is reached, obviously you can approach.
Lordship, I deeply apologize for what happened. I talked with government advocate also. I apologize to him also. So I truly apologize for disturbing the decorum of this court. Lord, 19 as per my instruction, my lord, charge sheet not yet submitted. Already, my lord, mandatory period is over.
Yes, ma'am. 63 days today, my lord. No call with 9.
Your petitioner is he hails from
Silchar, my.
Silchar.
Yes, ma'am.
Or he is outside of Assam, outside, no.
My lord, 63 days.
He is from Silchar?
Yes, my lord. Native of Silchar, my lord.
Special just Kachar Silchar.
Right. All right.
Special just Kachar.
Lordship, this matter will be fixed on Monday, Lordship. May I please, your Lordship, my lord? Lordship, in this case, the petitioner was arrested on 17/11/2022. 609 days till today, Lordship. Behind the bar. Nothing has been recovered from the position of the present petitioner, Lordship.
May I submit, my lord?
No, it's okay, Rodri. Now, why you are submitting the Monday?
Lordship, because Lordship, my senior is also not there and I am also not prepared, Lordship.
This is the regular fisherman for that particular case, man. Because last time I should not submit. He said that to my junior, his senior relative was expired.
You can sit for a while now.
Yes, my lord. Thereafter, what happened, my lord? We inquired in another case was doing, my lord. The case is not on.
Sit.
Yes, the case is not there.
Now see, this is he submitted that most of the time this kind of case is happening. So ask your senior to appear before the court because they are in custody. Whether there will be bail, will be rejected, allowed, that is different aspect. But they are in custody since more than
1 year, 8 months, not a single witness were examined.
that has
Lordship, 16/7/2024, one witness came there to adjournment. On
We not take adjournment, your lordship kindly go.
Because, my lord, on that particular day, my lord, I have gone to the, my lord, lower court record. The council is not not appointed for the Omid Kumar. They are a legal aid council, my lord. If he has not appeared, subsequently one date, my lord, subsequently 5-6 days, not a single witness has come, my lord. An interesting thing is that, my lord, I should not submit because video is going on, my lord. If it is closed, my lord, what happened I can say. Dangerous things has happened, I should not mention. I told the magistrate, I informally submit before the court, this should not be having. Because most of the document in this case is not available in the court. And my humble submission, I am not on that, my lord. I am not going all these things, my lord. My humble submission before your lordship is there. Article 37 rider will go because, my lord, long incursion of the petitioner, not a single witness were examined. And if Article 37 will go because long incursion is violation of the Article 21. There is a judgment of Saiful Islam and there are many judgments of our High Court as well as Apex Court. Only on that point I will argue before your lordship.
Yes, please, what to do?
Lordship,
And that is the part of the record.
next week, Lordship, I will appear, Lordship. Dates has been passed.
And charge was framed on 8/5/2023. Today is the today is, my lord, 36 day has been, my lord, elapsed. Not a single witness were examined, my lord. Now my humble submission before your lordship, I am not going on 52A and others, my lord. This is long incursion. I am entitled for the bail. There are many judgments.
Okay, for people, one thing.
Yes, ma'am.
In the on fiction, Monday paper, you take it. We are 15, you take sheet of not fully prepared. Our theater is not there. So if suppose Mr. Kyle will not be able to do that, he will do the hearing.
Your lordship may write down last chance, my lord.
No, we are listening on Tuesday. If she will, I mean, argue him.
Lordship can write down last chance, my lord. Otherwise, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, I am not on merit, my lord.
It's a case of commercial quantity.
Yes,
they are the right
yes, my lord.
to submit.
Lordship is absolutely correct. There are two rights, my lord. Why I am
You
submitting?
have also the
Yes,
right.
my lord.
I won't.
Article 21, my lord. When Article 21 constitutional right has been violated, my lord, then, my lord, that right at 37 will go, my lord. Ultimately, my lord, and over and above is the constitution, my lord. That is why Supreme Court has said all cases without going to the merit of the case, because the petitioner is 1 year 6 months. That is why we are releasing on bail, my lord. Nothing more than that, my lord. I am submitting, my lord.
So we are picking it up Tuesday. They have already received its scan copy. If your senior absent, you just go by the argument submission. Get prepared. Tuesday will go. It's not Tuesday either.
Yes, ma'am.
So totally by listing it on 20th, she will do the other.
Yes, my lord.
Highly obliged.
Let it go.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordships? The court has been called for your lordships. Your lordship, in this case, it is a commercial quantity, recovery of commercial quantity, and I am behind the bar for around year of 6 years, 2 months.
If you are also BRI is there, na?
BRI, your lord.
Lordship, case report not received, Lordship.
Yes, sir. As well as that.
Check out not. This record we have not.
Your lord.
And we have
But your
not
lordship, in this case, your lordship, I am behind the bar for 6 years, 2 months.
6 years.
I am arrested on 28, your lordship, 2018. 14/4/2018. 6 years.
Till now, what is the progress as per your
Your
instruction?
Lordship, total 9 witnesses are there and around 7 witnesses were examined. Your Lordship, in the one exam, the examination of the seizure witness, if before your Lordships, if it can go through your Lordships, then he says one sentence I am saying making your Lordships.
Oh, it is recorded by me only.
Yes, yes.
Oh, then it is before available photo tissue. This before the statement without. I cannot take.
Your Lordship.
Would only remind it. When it can be listed, if I have a part.
Next week, your Lordship, 6 years.
Monday or Tuesday we are reaching it before application.
Your Lordship.
This before application, record without on all for can.
Highly obliged.
May I please you? CD was called for merit. In this case, merit is a teenager boys and girls. They fled away in 2021. Now they got married. They are living as husband and wife. In the year 2024, the elder sister has lost the affair that my sister was kidnapped in 2021. That is very much still clear in from the affair merit. Page 17. So, they are living in as husband and wife. They should not be disturbed and 48 days behind the bar, my lord. I can praise the 4 judgments of our different high courts where it has been appreciated that their life should not be spoiled, my lord, because their relation grown up, romantic love and affairs in their child life, my lord, that should not be they should not be robbed more than in that way in a POSCO case, my lord, at least. So I pray that the bail will be considered under any condition, my lord. Now, wife, she is alone, my lord, moving from door to door for help, how to get her husband released from the jail, my lord. We are giving the free legal aid to this lady, my lord. FIR was lost after 3 years. Had there been a case of kidnapping or anything, it ought to have been registered. Page 17, madam.
7 is the forward.
Forwarding is 24.
FIR is at 15, page 15.
FIR is page 15 and 17 is the forwarding, madam. FIR is 21.
15 is vernacular.
FIR was in 21, my lord. But arrest was made in 24.
FIR is at 21 only.
21. Arrested in 24.
Yes. FIR in 21, arrest
24. In Meghalaya case, my lord, similar case taken place, my lord. FIR was even quashed, my lord.
Where from you think that they are living as a husband and wife?
My lord, we have written in our prayer, my lord, that we are living as husband and wife. In Para
What? No, regarding her statement or regarding her whether her statement was recorded
Yes,
or
ma'am.
if it was
This is my lord case diary from Udal Bakra police station. My lord,
Guwahati, my lord, does not come.
My lord,
The second day, my lord.
any short date your lordship may kindly fix, because my lord in this case FIR is of 2021, and now why police is searching for the present petitioner and my lord arrested. Whether they, if they are living as husband and wife, then my lord that will have to be also confirmed from the 164 statement, my lord. Regarding
Don't be FIR recording report also.
Yes.
Simple that the case also disclosed about the involvement. But where the girl, regarding the girl, there is nothing. Whether her statement recorded, whether she also
yes.
Not there. Otherwise, they have submitted case of 2021 and he got arrested in 2024. By the time they are.
But your lordship will definitely appreciate that why the case was pending for all this.
There is no marriage certificate, nothing has been annexed in this.
No, marriage, you see, they did marriage in the temple. Those are minor boys and girls fled away from the house, do not know and nobody. And after 4 years, the police has rise up, arrested them. They cannot go to the court also because minor cannot get married in a court also. And how to stop this type of incident is occurring regularly throughout the country. That has been discussed in many of the judgments. That by spoiling the POSCO, roping them under POSCO, their life will be spoiled. Now where will the guard will go now? Suppose the boy is not coming, he will remain in the jail. Where the guard will go? All these social aspects we have to see and consider.
On Tuesday or Wednesday, I can produce the case diary, my lord. Dispute PS. Dispute PS. On Thursday. Wednesday.
My lord, if necessary, I can produce the guard.
Yes, my lord.
I will produce the guard here.
But
Yes.
the question is who will identify her?
Very true.
Because for fiction or the
Yes.
people will not identify her.
On Wednesday, my lord, I can Wednesday or any date on
It will be on Wednesday. It's from just from the station only. Dalbakra.
Yes, dispute PS, my lord.
It will come, I think,
Yes.
by Wednesday.
Wednesday. On 24th.
And by that time, if you can bring anything, other further
Sure,
evidence.
Anyway, informant is also willing to come.
Also, agree with you that they already got medicine, hampering, tempering, etc. may not come. That is understood. But we have not seen anything regarding the girl here. It's by even in the forwarding report also. It's not
Yes,
mentioned.
it has not been reflected that they are married, living as husband and wife. That is not
That is not
reflected.
there, or the regarding the discovery or the girl, that's not there. That could be one aspect we are finding that. So it's pretty both. After
24. My lord, at best it can be a case of child marriage. At best.
To go by the child marriage also, then also POCSO is added there. Physical relationship with a minor cannot be.
Now the young boy, minor boys are doing all these things, going on. That has also become picked up as a social problem. We cannot stop it.
Okay.
Your lordship knows, but in the Shivsagar's case, the boy, student who stabbed the teacher, your lordship knows, he was not sent to he was sent to the home. He is enjoying the life. And at best, he is convicted. He is convicted for 3 years. That he will remain in the home because he was a minor. That is, all privileges are there, my lord.
26, my lord, petitioner is in interim, my lord, case diary not received, my lord. On third. On 13/8/24, 13/8.
Your interim is acted.
Interim is extended.
scanned copy has been received, Lordship, translated case.
So what appeared? None appeared of call for the witness. However, it is the scan copy is recorded. What about the service?
Service of the informant is appearing.
Oh, he appeared.
Yeah.
The service is also complete. And Mr. Your Mr.
SC does.
SC does also appeared. What number? This team matter accordingly probably get of night. Can it be after 2 weeks or we can pick the date? After 2 weeks? After 2 weeks. It's after 2 weeks.
But the petitioner is on interim and CD has not been received.
None appeared on call for the petition. However, it is submitted by Mr. Sharma, and to remind them. Okay, now where it is?
9/8/24.
It's on 9/8/2024. And till then, we give the
CD received, Lordship.
May I please, Your Lord? My Lord, anticipated bail application, my Lord. FIR is, my Lord, at page 12. On mere suspicion, my Lord, police is after me, my Lord. Nobody has been named in the FIR. Here, 2 buffalo has been stolen. This is the allegation. But repeatedly, police is searching my house, my Lord. Therefore, I have getting apprehension and file this application. This diary was called for.
those,
Page 12, my Lord. This is
those
the.
buffaloes were recovered from your
No, nothing, my Lord.
Not recovered.
Nothing. On mere suspicion, my Lord, police is, my Lord, 2-3 occasions has been gone to my home. Therefore, my Lord, I have approved this. Nobody has been named. No name. There is no one named.
Here, Lordship, there is a big racket that is going on in and around that area, Lordship. Here, Lordship, these 2 buffaloes were stolen from this area, Lordship, that is Geleki, Lordship. Now, Lordship, another several incidents are happening in and around that area, Lordship. From Pulibor, Lordship, there, Lordship, around 12 buffaloes have been stolen. And, Lordship, all these nexus, Lordship, led to the arrest of 3 persons, Lordship. They are Azim Ali, Waqib Ali and Saqib Ahmed. Further investigation revealed, Lordship, the modus operandi. Lordship, these persons are, there are several persons who are operating in that area. They take away the buffalo from the household and transport it to a vehicle. And then from Haulating, Lordship, those are transported to Nagaland, Assam, everywhere, Lordship. This person, Lordship, Abdul Hanan, he is also known as Vicky, Lordship. He is one of the main accused, Lordship. He is the one who is in charge of transporting the kettles, Lordship. Receiving the kettles and then transporting it to the places, Lordship. He is now absconding, Lordship. Along with him, several other persons are involved. They are also absconding. That is the allegation against him, Lordship.
They are, my Lord, going by the contents of the FIR, now. The Lordship already has gone to the FIR. On not even suspect, my Lord, on mere suspicion. Under such circumstances, my Lord, and your Lordship is well aware, my Lord, your Lordship has the experience. But a statement of accomplishment, how far it is acceptable, and up to what degree it may be considered. Here, my humble submission is that I am no way connected, there is no name. If at all for the sake of investigation, my Lord, I have, at any condition I may be granted, my Lord. I will, my Lord, cooperate with the investigation, my Lord. This is my humble submission.
Lordship, here, last submission, Lordship, this is not a isolated incident, Lordship. This is one person who has been affected, stealing of 2 bulls. But there are other several incidents which have been reported in and around the area of stolen of buffaloes, cows, Lordship. This appears to be an exception. Secondly, Lordship, the statement of the other co-accused, Lordship, that part is in the trial, Lordship. Now we are in the investigation stage, Lordship. The police has to have something to investigate the case. So far, Lordship, it has been found that there are several persons involved. 3 have been arrested, Lordship. And furthermore, the vehicle used, the buffaloes, cows, nothing has been recovered, Lordship. All are absconding, Lordship. That is the progress of the
I am a small pawn shop owner. And as regards the submission of my learned friend, he is saying that this locality, this is not this is not the case that this locality such kinds of offences are being committed, my lord. Everywhere in the state, my lord. So it does not mean, my lord, innocent people will be, my lord, people will targeted the innocent people. Everywhere offences are being committed, my lord. We boldly condemn such commission of such offence. It is not a case that we are supporting. But my case is that since apparently from the very language of the FIR, my lord, except what what I understand, my lord, except the accomplished statement. So, my lord, I will, my lord, cooperate the investigation under any such, my lord, condition as your lordship, my lord, deem fit appropriate for the end of justice. Yes, that's my understanding.
Rather, in one of the traffic but submitted the left of the buffalo and the cow are going in and around of it, and there was the actor were at least in doing all of them. Which are part of the the transport get from state of Assam. There are the near here. Are also but the other culture is and same the step of the south. If it are not someone that it is a book, the other copy. Not run it. Your petition stands with it.
Rejected. I am obliged.
my lord, 438 application. In this case, my lord, the petitioner is a practicing advocate of Guwahati, my lord. My lord, what happened? A title suit was filed by the informant, present informant, and her husband and their children against their brother Nipen Sharma, my lord. And I have already annexed a copy of the title suit, my lord. And thereafter, what happened? Nipen Sharma died. He was the defendant of the case, and the present petitioner is was the engaged counsel of said Nipen Sharma, my lord. Later, my lord, the deed of agreement was executed between the parties, my lord. I have annexed it, my lord. Annexer C, my lord, page 27.
In this case diary received, my lord. Petitioner is in interim. He appeared cooperating with the investigation, and from the case diary, it seems that this is not a case like, my lord, land grabbing and anything, but, my lord, the petitioner is the, my lord, client of the present my lord, accused person, and he appeared his statement, the petitioner's statement.
He is the advocate.
Yes, my lord. Some otherwise cooperating with the investigation, my lord. This is the statement of the accused.
For MS, MS, LS Thakuri,
NS Thakuria.
third MS, MS, that is not hard still. Board that who engaged you? You are the engaged counsel of who?
Engaged counsel of the defendant, my lord.
Whether by here it is
That
again?
means the brother-in-law of the informant.
The engaged counsel of the brother-in-law of the informant who was it is that by that not have obtained order of online and investigate Mr. What done it that the I record and much therapy and constantly medical is considered and according order of space it is night that will hope hereby in good. Oh.
Obliged, my lord.
Now have received case diary?
Case diary not received. No.
The RDA are issued? No.
No, my lord. Anticipatory bail. No.
Where is it?
On my lord.
Take it in August.
Yes, 19/8.
So he is not in.
Yes, then on.
He's 9 or
Yes, on 9/8.
Lordship, due to the unavailability of the conducting counsel of this case, kindly the matter may be passed over for the day.
yes, Port Harcourt, whether we have received the case diary?
I don't know. Come on.
43,
my lord.
PP.
Yes, special PP or some, my lord. I will till case diary not received. I will have to get that. So not forest.
The item number is 40.
Forest.
40.
Forest. No.
Oh,
Standing special PP or some.
Special PP forest.
Yes. In time of
Bora. Now, feature PP is not applicable here. So, otherwise, where it might if that cannot take position for us. So, we have fixing it on August 1st of August, 2nd of August. 2nd of August.
Detail to divorce.
I do affect.
41 to
My please, Your Lordship. CD was called for, Your Lordship. Page 11 is the FIR, Your Lordship. Here in the allegation, informant is the in charge of Mazaralga River Police Outpost. That's the CD, isn't it? Allegation is that on the day of incident, on the day of Ellie's incident, the informant he was conducting nakaseking along with his staff. And in the meantime, the petitioner, they were stopping the vehicle of the public 100 meter ahead of the nakaseking. And accordingly, the informant went there and requested the petitioner not to stop the vehicle of the public. But instead of allowing the public to go, they became aggressive and started to assault the informant. This is the allegation as stated in the FIR, Your Lordship. In page 5, para 6 of my petition, I have stated the story, actually what was happened on that day, Your Lordship. Para 6 of my petition, Your Lordship. But in fact, Your Lordship, the informant, he was collecting money from the public in the name of motor vehicle fine, Your Lordship. But no receipt was paid to the public, and accordingly the public demanded to pay the issue the money receipt to them. And page 5, Your Lordship, para 6 of my petition. And in this regard, Your Lordship, there was demand on the part of the public to give them money receipt in respect of the money collected from them. But no receipt was given, and accordingly the informant started to beat the public, Your Lordship. And the whole incident was captured in the mobile phone of the public, Your Lordship. The public went to the police station to lodge the affair, but their affair has not been accepted. This is the fact. Now what reveals in the affair, Your Lordship, my friend?
FIR Lordship is already gone through Lordship. In the FIR, Lordship will find that the police personnel Lordship with full authority were conducting a Naka checking Lordship. Just before around 100 meters ahead of the Naka point, this petitioner Lordship, they had assembled in a great number Lordship. They were stopping the public vehicles. And Lordship, when the police personnel went there Lordship, they were assaulted, and one pistol was also seized from one of the police officers Lordship. and they created a very lawless situation there, Lordship. If Lordship kindly sees, taking advantage of the situation, accused Atawar Rahman snatched my service pistol and pointed towards me with intention to kill me. They also damaged the barricade placed for Naga checking. Immediately, staff of 8 APBN responded and took back the custody of my service pistol, Lordship. So, Lordship, the battalion has also to be called, Lordship. Such a situation has happened. And, Lordship, in that process, one police personnel was injured. Though, Lordship, it is simple injury, Lordship, but one was injured. And, Lordship, all these persons, they are involved. That is the case there, Lordship.
But as per my instruction, Your Lordship, no statement of the general public was recorded, Your Lordship. And the statement of the...
Because, Lordship, investigation is still going on. So whether statement has been recorded or not, that is not the final outcome. Still there is days to investigate the matter. More independent witness will come out, Lordship.
But here in the informant, he is the in charge of the police station, Your Lordship. And today morning I have been sent the video footage, Your Lordship. I have gone through it, but I have not found anywhere snatching the pistol, Your Lordship.
So granting anticipatory bail to such kind of behavior, Lordship, will encourage them to be even more violent, Lordship. Because this kind of conduct, Lordship, cannot be condoned, Lordship. Snatching away the pistol from a police personnel, obstructing from them from conducting their duty, Lordship. Battalion had to be called to calm the people, and one round of fire was also shot in the air. This kind of behavior, Lordship, is not condonable.
But this FIR, Your Lordship, has been lost merely because of that some of the public, Your Lordship, demanded to issue the money receipt, but he refused. Then the public said that we will file case against you. So from saving the affair of the public, this instant affair has been lost. But unfortunately, our affair has not been taken, Your Lordship.
And it also rather the active fact, rather active fact, the was charging money from general public. And they were running the city wherein they are asking for general for which or ask him by and rather the whole of but the some of public has captured the Android mobile phone and went on mobile and I recorded their run that probably when the Japan completed everything is said that day of what was created Japan when the public from aspect and as a situation when the number 1 also sent in service installed from the form and installed 1.5 and income and some calculation Mr. Norma different are run with the wrong it will calculate them for more different payment in and out. Are for sticking and right but and continuing your petition stands
Rejected, Your Lordship.
yes
All person, Your Lordship.
all
God bless.
CD was called for, my lord.
Lordship, here the FSL report has not been received. So may I pray date, Lordship, to update the CD with the FSL report?
it's a case of
Commercial company.
commercial.
155 days in custody, my lord.
He is in
150, lord.
He is in custody since
Since, my lord, 15th of February 2024, my lord. What did you do?
Mr. Done it for not the card done. It's submitted Mr. but not and we need some more time to obtain the FSL along with the update. Returning is there and call for the update is there, accordingly when it can be this because he is 155 days in behind him.
6th of August. 6th of August. 6th.
Then 6 months will also be
180 days.
yes, 180 days.
Today is 154 days, na?
And your 166th of August will? What?
What 6th will be 172 days.
172 days.
2 days.
For updating the case diary and FSL may
Yes.
take time.
It will take time.
Okay, then 6th of August.
My lord, item 9, my lord. Matter pertains to Zimma, my lord.
Item 9.
9. Admission, my lord. My lord, maybe on Tuesday, my lord. On the last occasion it was raised.
I don't know. They,
For the last...
all food because all the at present trend is there that all are asking for or paying for the fixed it. So we are fixing all on
my
Monday
lord,
and Tuesday.
for the last 1 month it is pending, my lord.
What?
For the last 1 month it is pending.
I don't know.
On Tuesday, my lord.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday can be.
Wednesday.
Yeah, item number 9.
9. Wednesday.
May I please, Your Lordship?
My lord.
Item 45, Your Lordship. Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Because the interim order was there.
Interim order was there.
But I was can be list after.
The order has to be passed by Your Lordship only.
No.
So, whenever Your Lordship is available, then it can be fixed on. It may be fixed after 2 weeks.
Availability is now doubtful. I don't know when it will be. We are fixing it on 30 or 31 of this month. I may be available. So 30 or 31. 31, 30, 37. It may be continued.
Am I paying for the respondent? PT Bhuya.
Also had Mr. PT Bhuya done on.
My lord, item number
Oblige
47, my lord, last item may be kindly listed on Monday supplementary list, my lord. This is very urgent matter, my lord. Interim
Now,
prayer
sir,
is
Monday
not allowed, my lord.
They don't supplementary list may not because weekend is that Monday and Tuesday there are diary full. If it comes by supplementary also it not.
On the Wednesday,
Wednesday or Thursday.
Wednesday, my lord.
Right. It is saying that better to take
Thursday.
My lord, item number 43, my lord.
Thursday for 25 47 list of
My lord, item number 43, first item of the order list, my lord. I may be allowed to take steps on the change address upon respondent number 3, my lord. It could not be served because he has changed his address, my lord. So I have obtained his address. I may be allowed to take steps. 3. Yes. The changes.
And who you are appealing?
For respondent number 1 and 2, Your Lordship, I am appearing on.
I have obtained the address from them only.
Yes, sir.
You are Mr. Bak.
Yes. Changes.
Mr. Keda.
Your Lordship, D.S. Decca, appearing on behalf of Mr. T. Dewey.
Decca. For number 1. Subject Mr. Bak. And
In his change address.
and to the change of that according to the subject now that for number 2 according to number
Much obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. May it please Your Lordship. Lordship, item number 54, Lordship. Actually, Lordship, in 54, Lordship, the prayer for interim was kept open till service is complete, Lordship. We have taken steps twice, but Lordship, the service report, it's still, Lordship, not served. Lordship, though we have waited for many occasions. The Lordship, the question of interim is pending since 27 September 2023. Lordship, now that Lordship, the purpose is not being served of keeping an interim prayer, Lordship, for that. Lordship, my prayer is that Lordship, on next date, Lordship, the interim prayer may be considered, Lordship. Lordship, I'll argue on the interim, Lordship. I'll argue, Lordship, the court, Lordship may consider interim prayer on the next date, Lordship.
why it is not served?
Lordship, we have taken steps. Lordship, maybe they are not trying, like they are making attempts not to receive it. Maybe something is happening, Lordship.
That we can list it after 2.
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship may just make an observation, Lordship.
For R. Purva.
Lordship, P. Barwa.
P. Purva. That is not list it at all. And instead of prayer of If your prayer may be heard or not.
If a date can be fixed, Lordship.
What a fit date.
Lordship, after 2 weeks, Lordship, maybe on Lordship, Wednesday, 7th August.
7th of the opening day. Oh, 7th of
7th August. Deeply obliged.